Got some temporary tattoos. Steven got the kissy face.
It's not really a storybook.
I got the heart eyes. How do you like your tattoo, honey?
No.
I think it's great.
We're twinsies. Look how cute. We should actually get a real tattoo together.
Why are you giving me that look?
No thanks.
We're married. We're allowed to do that now.
What's this?
No advertising.
No
It was a big
advertising.
city.
So cute.
There is a turkey in my backyard. What the heck? Why is there a turkey back here? It's just one. Where's the other turkeys? I think he's trying to get out of my backyard, but I have fences all the way around and he's stuck. Poor turkey. Like, where's my friends? I can't find them. This is freaking hilarious. I can't even right now. He looks like he's gonna go behind my garage. Oh, there he goes. He's on the fence and he's down in the other person's yard. Oh my goodness. So I went upstairs where he was sleeping on the bed, sound asleep. I pet him because I had to go get my speaker. And I come down here to find corroded batteries in my speaker. So I don't recommend Kirkland brand batteries. If any of you buy those, don't buy them. They corrode so easily, so fast. Anyways, so then I come over here to get the other phone to plug into the speaker. And here he is, purring away on the couch on the pillow, which is not like him to just be on the couch by himself. So we all know he's waiting for me to sit down so we can have cuddle time. Right, Kitty Cat? Yeah? Is that what time it is? It's cuddle time. Look at that face. Who's my kitty? So it is 1:15 in the morning, and it looks like the Easter Bunny came and set up everything nicely. So we have the kitchen table here, and we've got Turbo's, Steven's, and mine's looking a little empty. I think the Easter Bunny's gonna have to come back a little later for mine. And then we've got Nana's, Jamie's, and then we have Landon's. We've got all the extra bunny decor here. And we got some Easter candles from Bath & Body Works, but yeah. So, just wanted to show you guys this. So cute. It's all set up and ready to go for Easter morning. We also did some decorating in here. Easter Bunny left all his eggs inside, probably because it's raining. But we've got just little hints of Easter decor. Get the light turned on here. I think this is so cute. It's a little spool. It's Easter Bunny. You got this, and oh, I didn't show. You guys have seen this, I'm sure already. Got a little Mickey Mouse there, a little Easter Mickey Mouse. Yeah, just a little Easter decor for tomorrow.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good spot for your coat.
There's another coat right there.
Yeah.
Hey, here's
What?
my shoes.
Ooh.
Let me see your teeth.
So
Ugh.
much.
So much. Who's got Easter baskets here?
You and me.
Oh, that's it? Oh, yeah.
And there's this one. probably for me.
Oh, okay.
Well,
What makes you think that one?
Tags, Landon.
I don't see no one. Oh, that's me. That's Nana. That's Annie. But I knew this one was mine.
10 of these, right?
No. Can I play seven?
Okay, which one are you gonna open first? The pink one?
Yeah, I'm gonna open the pink one. 1, 2, 3, open. Knew it! Yowie and Pokemon cards.
Oh, wow.
2 Pokemon cards. 2 packs of Pokemon cards. Here comes the yellow one.
Oh, someone did open the store.
And I got
Wow, it looked like the yellow one was the better one, wasn't it? You got 3 packs of Pokemon cards.
And no, I got 2 and then I keep Skylander's keychain.
Oh.
I mean necklace.
Whoa.
I think that's a weird Pokemon.
A weird Pokemon.
That's flat. And
So what are you most excited about? The Yowies, your Pokemon cards, or the dog tags?
Can't get the game started.
Pokemon cards.
Pokemon cards?
And then I'm gonna put these together.
Okay, let's see what's in your medium size one. Open your medium ones. Reggie is playing with the squirrel. But the squirrel said, nuh-uh, and is in his squirrel mound, digging around right now. They're buddies. They love each other. But they're hilarious. Mr. Spot. He's a week old today. Since I've had him. Well, tomorrow. Because I got him tomorrow, but I think he's about 8 or 9 days old. This little Spot. Hey, Mr. Spot. Hey, Mr. Spot. I know somebody loves the attention, don't you? Yeah. 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 This is a little new friend staying with us for a while. Yeah. Say hi, Mr. Spot. Can you say hi? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll get you your bottle. Yeah. A feed time. Spot is eating. Isn't he adorable, Steven? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
He gets a grunts and groans. Can't wait to give him a nail trim. See those honkers? Grunts and groans. We're not purring right now, though. Okay. So I currently have got another visitor at my back porch. This kitty has been living in my garage. Don't know what he's doing. This one who's begging to go outside to go see that kitty. And then over there, we got a little squirrel watching the cat as well. This is freaking hilarious. Now, what should I call you? It's like a gray kitty and has got some like tiger stripes like Kit Kat has, but I don't know. Why do they always find their way sitting at my door? Like, why don't they go to the neighbor's house and sit at their door? Like, I haven't fed the cat or anything. Just for some reason, they always end up at my door. Oh my goodness. What to do? Oh, look at those eyes. Hi, kitty. Oh. That's what he sounds like. Those big green eyes. Oh goodness. I know, it's kind of cold out there, and I think he really wants to come in. Oh, this breaks my heart. There are ducks up here on the edge of Dick's Sporting Goods here. And we're on like a second level parking ramp. So that's a very big drop down. It is not normal for ducks to be that close to the edge, up that high. They are living dangerously. I just got done feeding the kitten. And I come out here to the porch to find Kit Kat sleeping right next to this door. Let's see if Mr. Gray is out here right now. Well, he's not, but let's see how quickly this takes. He's probably over here in the bushes. Mr. Gray! Kitty, kitty, kitty! Hey, kitty, 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 kitty! Open the garage. Here he comes. Go on, Mr. Gray. Hi, Mr. Gray. The current stray that's living in my garage right now. Who is here? Kit Kat is looking for you, Mr. Gray. You're supposed to sleep right here so Kit Kat can see you. Yeah. Kit Kat likes to watch you. Let's see where Kit Kat is. Oh, Kit Kat's right here. Get back. Get back. You don't need to confront. Oh, Kit Kat. Rude. Rude. Oh, cutie pie. Here's little Spot. He's gonna go to my sister's house today. So she'll continue to take care of little Mr. Spot. He's getting his walking in. Probably trying to find some more milk. Yeah. Definitely getting more active. My cat's in a mood. He's thumping around upstairs. Mr. Spot. But I got Mr. Spot to 3 weeks old, so he'll be good. Yeah. So happy. You're a new one, aren't you? Yeah. We had an ice storm last night, and this is what my windows look like on my back porch. They are coated in ice. Ugh, I don't want to have to go out and work today. Why couldn't you guys cancel?